Hello everybody, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel. It's easy. Oh no, I have changed the name. It's Pooja Rathod English Videos. I forgot. So I haven't made any videos since a very long time, but I was, missing the that feeling, that passion, that madness, that fun of making videos. So I'm back again, and I have no idea what I'm going to share in this video, but I just simply wanted to talk, wanted to share my feelings, and just wanted to know whether you remember me or not. So I think I have a lot up to say in this video. So we are going to see what it is. Okay. So first of all, I want to say that I haven't been very good, very healthy lately. I was going through some health issues. I was not feeling very happy, and you know, I didn't feel like working at all. So I just thought of taking a break, and I just wanted to give myself some time to get over my negative thoughts and just whatever wrong was going on in my life. And I really, really wanted it to get over fast, but I think it's still same. Nothing much has changed, but I do want to start again. Whatever wrong is going on, let it be. But I genuinely want to do this. So let me first tell you mm, why I was not feeling, you know, all right. Actually, I can't really say everything, but yes, it mostly happens with me. I'm very, uh, I get a lot of mood swings. Sometimes I'm okay, sometimes I'm not okay. But I think this is how life goes. You have to accept it and just go with the flow. I think problems will end someday. This is the hope we all have, right? Although it's not in our hand, we can't control what's going on, but we all have the hope that someday things will change. Some Someday this universe will listen to our uh, efforts, and we will achieve what we want, right? So with this faith and with this belief, I wanted to start again, but I genuinely miss that earlier fun that I used to have while making videos. So although you might not see that same kind of girl, but I will try to help you with your English, with your communication skills, and with whatever I may bring to you. You know, I'm very, I won't say kind, but I do like helping people. This is a very unique quality I think I have, that whatever is special, whatever is, good in me, I want to share it, and I want to help as much people as I can. So we are going to, of course, do a lot of things if we have started, but most importantly I want to let you all know that uh, if uh, if it's possible, I think it's a great idea that we would have conversation, we would talk, and it will be a very fun session. I just want to have conversations with subscribers or viewers of my channel. So if any one of you is interested, and if you really want to help me, because I also feel, you know, very, very desperate. And, I just want to talk, like on any topic, if it's about your problems, if it's about my problems, whatever is going on in our life. I want to share uh, everything between us. So if you people are interested, if you want to have conversation with me, drop me a mail, or you can also put it on the comment section, and we will start like this. Okay, I love having conversations with people. I love talking and meeting new people, because that is something that, uh, teaches, or you can say it helps us to know what's going on in other lives, and sometimes it can inspire us, it can motivate us, it can boost our confidence. So we should always talk and express ourselves with good people, nice people who understand and who wish to help us, right? So if you are interested, and if you also, if you're struggling, or if you have some kind of problem, you can share it with me. I will do the same, and this is how we can mutually help each other. And it will also help us in improving our English. Of course it will. It is going to be an English conversation. So if possible, do mm, try to contact me if you're interested. Okay, so this is point number one. And as such, I haven't planned anything what next videos I'm going to upload, but I think surely it is going to be related to your grammar, vocabulary, phrases, a lot of stuff that you people want. I know that, right? You want to improve your English, you want to learn new things. So we are going to do it, okay? Don't worry about it. I'll take care of that. I'll try to cover these things in my next videos. But also very important that you start practicing, you start speaking, right? So do uh, practice as much as you can. This is the, you can't miss it. You can't really learn English without speaking it. So that's why I wanted to have conversations, because it is very, very good idea to learn mutually. It is not just going to help me, but also you. So this is, I think this is all. I can't really extend it saying stupid things, but do take it, do, I mean, understand my feelings and my intentions behind bringing you this idea. And also, uh, if you think that my videos are useful to you and you like it, please subscribe to my channel, guys. A lot of you are watching it, but you haven't subscribed, I know that. So for those people, I really uh, you know want you guys to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It will help me and motivate me, because this time all I need is motivation and your support. With that little support, little motivation, I can do a lot of good things for you, really. You can say it is not a good time, or high, you have highs and lows in your life. So this is not a high in my life, but if you really make small efforts and just share and subscribe my videos, I think I'll be truly blessed and very, very thankful to you. So please do it, and I will try my best to create uh, good content for you, and to share my all experiences, so that that can also inspire you and help you to learn not just English, but whatever you want to do in your life. So that's all I want to say in this video. And thank you for watching it. Thank you for listening to me. And I would be really, really grateful if you do let me know what you think of this idea. And we can uh, together achieve a lot of uh, good things. We can improve our English, and we can overall improve our life. So thank you for watching it. I don't want to say goodbye, but I have to. Okay. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you, guys.